In this video, we are going to solve these two questions. Please pause the video and give it a try yourself. You can come back and watch the solution, but I recommend that you watch the solution till the end so that you get an understanding of how to apply the sum and difference formula of trigonometric functions. Also, please share the channel with your friends so that it's useful to them too. Let's start with the first one. So in the first question, the information given to us is tan A minus tan B is equal to X and cot B minus cot A is equal to Y. Using this information, we have to prove that cotangent of A minus B is equal to 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So let's convert cot B minus cot A to a tangent format. So we would have 1 by tan B minus 1 by tan A is equal to Y, and this would further change to tan A minus tan B divided by tan A tan B is equal to Y. But the information we have is tan A minus tan B is X, correct? So we would have this change to X divided by tan A tan B is equal to Y. So tan A tan B is equal to X divided by Y. Now let's apply the formula cot of A minus B is equal to 1 by tan of A minus B. Now we are going to apply the formula of tan of A minus B, but in an inverse format. So that will be 1 plus tan A tan B divided by tan A minus tan B. Now we are just going to apply the value of tan A tan B, which is 1 plus X by Y divided by tan A minus tan B is given in the question. So that is X. So let's solve the equation now. We would get Y plus X divided by Y X, XY. Now we divide each term, we would get 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So cot of A minus B is 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So that is how you can approach the first question. In the second question, we have tan alpha is equal to 1 divided by square root of X times X square plus X plus 1. Tan beta is square root of X divided by square root of X square plus X plus 1. And tan gamma is square root of X to the power of minus 3 plus X to the power of minus 2 plus X to the power of minus 1. Using this information, we have to prove that alpha plus beta is equal to gamma. Now, we have tan alpha and tan beta. We can use this information in the formula tan of alpha plus beta, which is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So let's apply the values now. Tan alpha in the numerator, so we would have 1 divided by square root of X times X square plus X plus 1 plus tan beta is square root of X divided by square root of X square plus X plus 1, and the numerator we would have 1 minus tan alpha is 1 divided by square root of X times X square plus X plus 1 multiplied by tan beta is square root of X divided by square root of X square plus X plus 1. Now let's solve for the common denominator. So in the numerator we would have, so X square plus X plus 1, the square root of that, it is common between these two. So here only factor that we would be multiplying is square root of X multiplied by square root of X. When we cross multiply it, and from the other end it would just be 1. So this will be x plus 1 because it is square root of x multiplied by square root of x divided by square root of x times x square plus x plus 1. I hope you got that right. Correct? Now what we can do is, so this would be, square root of x square plus x plus 1. Now divided by, here in the denominator, we have square root of x square plus x plus 1 and multiplied by square root of x square plus x plus 1. So the denominator would be square root of x multiplied by x square plus x plus 1 minus square root of x divided by square root of x multiplied by x square plus x plus 1. Correct? Now let's see what can be cancelled out here. Here we find that square root of x and square root of x can be cancelled out, and this will change to x plus 1 divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1, and then this is divided by, let's consider square root of x common between these two terms. This will be square root of x multiplied by x square plus x plus 1 minus 1, because there is a negative square root here, this part. Now this will further simplify to, okay, there is a denominator, I missed it, sorry, which is x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now let's simplify this further. We would have x plus 1 divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1, and this would be square root of x multiplied by that. Correct? Then divided by, what would this be? Divided by x square plus x divided by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now we would have x plus 1 divided by square root of x times square root of x square plus x plus 1 divided by x times x plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1. Correct? So this would be, we can cancel this out. Then we can cancel square root of x square plus x plus 1, but we can add a square root to this. I hope that made sense. So now this would be square root of x square plus x plus 1 divided by x times square root of x. Those are the only terms that are pending. And just so that we have a continuity, this is tan of alpha plus beta. Now what we can do is, let's multiply and divide by square root of x, so that in the denominator we can solve the square root of x part. So numerator would change to x times x square plus x plus 1, the whole square root, divided by x square. Correct? Now this can be again rewritten as, let me add a bigger one. This can be written as x cube plus x square plus x divided by, now x square can be changed to a square root of x to the power of 4, because x to the power of 4, the square root of this is x square, so we just inversed it. Now we divide each of these terms, we would get x to the power of minus 1 plus x to the power of minus 2 plus x to the power of minus 3. So this is tan of alpha plus beta. Now in the question, let's go back to the question. In the question, we have the information that tan gamma is equal to square root of x to the power of minus 3 plus x to the power of minus 2 plus x to the power of minus 1. That means tan of alpha plus beta, this is nothing but tan gamma, is equal to tan gamma. So if tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan gamma, then alpha plus beta is equal to gamma. So this is the required proof in question number 2. If you like this kind of questions, please share it with your friends and also subscribe to the channel. It will help the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.